fully furnished and equipped. Steps away from Hallandale Beach. Occupancy by 1/15/2023. Just bring your toothbrush. Turnkey condo. Secure building entrance with gated access. Laundry room on same floor. Community pool looking at Intercoastal waters, sauna, sundeck, large covered common area patio next to Intracoastal. Enjoy the Intracoastal breeze if you choose to stay home. Great location. Landlord looking for short-term tenant who wants to feel on vacation 24/7, rent from January 15, 2023 through December 15, 2023.